In this video, I want to talk about how you can increase leverage on eToro. Now keep in mind, to even have access to leverage, when you complete your questionnaire, when you're signing up and stuff, you need to actually have the right answers, because if you answer wrong with those, they might not let you have the leverage. So just keep that in mind, that some people are not even available or eligible to use leverage. But what you want to do to increase the leverage is just find whatever you want to trade, click on the trade button, and in there you should find leverage if you're eligible and if the thing you're trading is eligible. After that, you can choose the multiplier, and just keep in mind that when you put a higher one, there's also more risk, but also there's more profit. So just set how much you want, and then you can open the trade. Now, like I said, not everyone is available to do this, so just keep that in mind. It depends on your answers when you complete the setup and everything like that. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.